I'm always every time.
I thought that always worked. In like a couple years.
What's up, guys? We're Half Measure from Palmdale, California.
Where's everybody else?
Outside. It's alright. But everybody, come on, come in more. We don't bite at all. Unless you ask us to, you know.
Only if it's crossy.
Alright, so we got some jams for you tonight, and thanks for coming out. And thanks for having us here. Let's do this. Thanks.
Talking on guest vocals is our friend from Sleep Sick, and you guys should totally check him out. They're pretty good band. Pretty good. I mean, it's worth the chat.
Very Spanish.
So, how you guys doing?
Pretty well, man. Pretty well. How's your bell action? It's really good.
Thanks, bro.
That is the cutest little bell, dude.
I know.
All right, we're gonna keep this going. Man, is anybody else hot? It's like hot out in Fullerton.
It's just you. It's you and the
It's like
Man, it's freezing in here. What are you talking about?
we're used to dry desert, and humidity is pretty interesting. Humidity. All right, so this next song is called "If We Can Fly." That'd be pretty rad.
That was good.
That is one of our newer songs.
If you guys ever heard of us, we used to be Farewell Gloria, then we became Half Measure, and then we ended up losing our actual singer.
He moved. It's not, no, he didn't die. He didn't die.
Oh, my bad, my bad.
That sounds so
I was
bad.
just dying for water.
Good Lord!
He moved to Arizona.
Arizona.
Everybody dies in Arizona.
Which is even worse.
I'd rather be dead in California than alive in Arizona.
He has first-hand experience.
XCP title.
Alright, so this next song is called Look and See. And look and see.
Okay.
Wrote it about looking at yourself through somebody else's eyes.
They hate it, they hate it, they hate it.
Please cover that song. So you're jumping too.
Let's do it. Alright. Alright, so we got two more for you guys. And thank you for coming out, sticking around.
Tell everybody to come inside!
Hey, everyone. Everybody inside.
Hey, all you people. Hey, all you people, will you listen to me? I just got a sandwich, an ordinary sandwich.
It's a sandwich filled with jellyfish jelly!
Oh,
You guys didn't sing the jazzy part? Come on now.
crud! Oh, man, song.
That's the Krusty Krab pizza.
Yeah, I know. Alright. Oh, it doesn't matter.
So we've been in town since about 2 o'clock.
Yeah, wonderful restaurants.
Yeah. They let you stay in there as long as you buy something small.
That's good.
Yeah, you know, Chipotle's pretty cool. Outside part. Alright, so we're gonna keep this going. This next song is called Blanks. I'm kidding. I stepped on my cable.
I was doing a little fancy.
Alright. This is gonna be our last song. Thank you everyone for listening.
Oh, real quick, guys, after this set, we're gonna have shirts ready for you to buy. They're $8
If you would like to, yeah.
Yeah.
$8. We have 3 to choose from.
One has Pepe on it.
Alright. Who's Pepe?
The frog.
That's what I wanted to know when I saw that.
Take away the stigma from that meme. You can't
Yeah,
let
take away the Donald Trump side of it, because we ate it before that became a thing,
Can't let
which
me
really
know.
sucks, because I was like, oh dude, our shirt's gonna sell like crazy, and then it's like, oh shit, the NDLA.
Nazis love this.
Yeah, I was
Come
like,
on, man.
fuck.
Nazis.
Hey, no racial. Fuck Donald Trump.
Oh, true.
Pepe's a frog, he is not racist. He stands on his own.
Just a meme, bro. Just a meme.
He doesn't see color, literally.
Yeah.
It's
I like
impossible
that.
for a picture to
Thank you.
Alright, so thank you for everybody for checking us out, and we really do appreciate it. We're not just bullshitting. And we will play our last song for you, and thank you for listening. I just need one more second to figure this out. Let me know when you're leaving, and I'll be there. You told me that you're calling like a buzz.
shit!